What is data extraction? Data extraction is the process of retrieving data from various sources for further processing or storage. What are the common data sources for extraction? Databases, flat files, web services, and APIs. What is the role of ETL in data extraction? ETL, which stands for Extract, Transform, Load, is a process that involves extracting data from various sources, transforming it into a suitable format, and loading it into a data warehouse. What is incremental data extraction? Incremental data extraction involves extracting only the data that has changed since the last extraction. What are the challenges in data extraction? Data inconsistency, data quality issues, and handling large volumes of data. What tools are commonly used for data extraction? Talend, Informatica, Apache NiFi, and Microsoft SIS. What is a data extraction script? A script written in SQL or a programming language to automate the data extraction process. How does API-based data extraction work? It involves making API calls to retrieve data from web services. What is the difference between full extraction and incremental extraction? Full extraction retrieves all data every time, while incremental extraction retrieves only the changed data. What is log-based data extraction? Log-based extraction reads database logs to capture changes. What is data cleaning? Data cleaning is the process of detecting and correcting, or sometimes removing, errors and inconsistencies in data to improve data quality. Why is data cleaning important? To ensure the accuracy and reliability of data for analysis and decision-making. What are common data cleaning techniques? Removing duplicates, handling missing values, correcting errors, and standardizing formats. What is a data cleaning pipeline? A sequence of steps to clean and prepare data systematically. How do you handle missing values in data cleaning? By removing, imputing, or flagging them. What is data deduplication? The process of identifying and removing duplicate records from a dataset. What tools are commonly used for data cleaning? OpenRefine, Trifacta, Talend, and Python libraries like Pandas. What is the role of regex in data cleaning? Regex, or regular expressions, are used to identify patterns and clean text data. How do you standardize data formats? By converting data to a common format, such as dates to a specific date format. What is data validation in data cleaning? Ensuring that data meets specified criteria and business rules. What is data transformation? Data transformation involves converting data from its original format or structure into a different format or structure. Why is data transformation necessary in ETL? To convert data into a suitable format for analysis and reporting. What are common data transformation techniques? Aggregation, normalization, encoding, and scaling. What is data aggregation? Summarizing detailed data into higher-level data, such as totals or averages. What is data normalization? The process of organizing data to reduce redundancy and improve data integrity. What is the difference between data transformation and data cleaning? Data cleaning involves correcting errors, while data transformation involves changing the format or structure of data. What is schema mapping in data transformation? Mapping source data fields to target data fields during transformation. What tools are commonly used for data transformation? Apache NiFi, Talend, Informatica, and Microsoft SIS. How does data transformation affect data quality? Proper transformation improves data quality by ensuring consistency and correctness. What is transformation logic? The set of rules and procedures used to convert data from one format to another. What is data loading? Data loading is the process of moving transformed data into a data warehouse or target system. What are the types of data loading? Full load and incremental load. What is the difference between full load and incremental load? Full load involves loading all data, while incremental load involves loading only new or changed data. What is batch loading? Loading data in batches at scheduled intervals. What is real-time data loading? Loading data as soon as it is available, often used in streaming data scenarios. What is the role of ETL in data loading? ETL orchestrates the extraction, transformation, and loading of data into the data warehouse. What tools are commonly used for data loading? Apache Scoop, Talend, Informatica, and Microsoft SIS. What are the challenges in data loading? Handling large volumes of data, ensuring data integrity, and maintaining performance. What is data latency in the context of data loading? The delay between data creation and its availability in the data warehouse. How do you ensure data consistency during data loading? By using techniques such as transaction management and data validation. What is metadata? Metadata is data that describes other data, providing context and information about the data's origin, structure, and usage. Why is metadata important in data warehousing? It helps in understanding the data, ensuring data quality, and managing data efficiently. What are the types of metadata? Descriptive, structural, and administrative metadata. What is a metadata repository? A centralized location where metadata is stored and managed. How does metadata help in data governance? By providing information about data lineage, data ownership, and data usage policies. What is data lineage? The history and origin of data, including its transformations and movements over time. What tools are commonly used for metadata management? Apache Atlas, Talend, Informatica Metadata Manager. What is business metadata? Metadata that provides context about the business meaning and usage of data. How do you capture metadata? Through automated tools, manual entry, and integration with data processing systems. What is the difference between metadata and data dictionary? Metadata provides context about data, while a data dictionary provides detailed information about data elements.